I was so excited to make this video for you guys today because it's one of my favorite things to do. Taking Indo-Western outfits, making them really edgy, modern, yet really classy, like that Indian touch.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle Grub, where we talk about everything that has to do with life and vogue and being a balanced woman. The first outfit that I want to start with is, it's a dhoti style pants and it actually has an attached dupatta. So it kind of looks like a fusion sari drape, and that drape makes it look extra edgy. And the dupatta has been tied like a fusion sari. Now I did have to secure the dupatta, the pallu part, with a pin, a brooch, a Chanel brooch. So the sari fusion drape is actually a cream color and I wanted to pair it with rose gold. So I had this awesome crop top. It's actually a faux fur rose gold color crop top blouse. I wanted to accent it with maroon because pink and maroon is like my favorite combination. So I have a maroon velvet clutch and I actually paired it with suede maroon booties. Now that gives it that extra edge that I was looking for. So the key to giving that Indo-Western edgy look, yet modern and classy, is everything that you accessorize with. So first and foremost, I have the sari drape with the dhoti pants. Because my blouse is pink, I wanted to go with rose gold, and there's a little bit of sequin, a gold sequin throughout the dupatta that's attached to the pants. I decided to go with a rose gold ring. I have a rose gold bracelet, and because it's an Indo-Western vibe and to create that edge, I've decided to go with a pasa. Hey guys, alright, here's the next look. This is actually my favorite outfits to put together. We're going to explore a few different ways that you can style pantsuits. I have a two-piece chicken curry outfit. So it's cotton and it's got the beautiful chicken curry embroidery, and I've paired it with a Lucknowi overcoat. What I've done is I've contrasted the white with a little bit of a pale blue. It's kind of a pale blue gray. I have my cropped palazzo pants. They have a little lace at the bottom there, silver lutkan. I chose to go with a cropped blouse, but you don't have to do the cropped blouse. You can have it a little bit longer if you like, so it won't show any skin. But I've put a silver tassel lace on the bottom of the blouse, so it kind of hides the skin. And I have 3/4 palazzo pants. And on the borders, I have the same beaded tassels. As you can see, the lace on the overcoat has pearls all around the edges. Gives it a little bit of weight so it sits very nicely. I've paired it with a clutch matching the color of my outfit and the embroidery as well. Alright guys, check out this next edgy chic Indo-Western look. The colors are orange and kind of an off-white. I have a cropped blouse. It's a high neck, and I decided to go with an overcoat which has really nice mirrored lace on all the edges, so it adds a little sparkle. It's paired with cropped pants with a lace stripe down the side. Looks really cool. I finished everything off with gold and brown jewelry. So I have a handful and a ring, and of course my golden beaded potley bag. And I decided to add a little flair with anklets. They're also golden, they have a little bit of color in it, and brown shoes. My makeup, I went with a modified smoky look with a brown lipstick. Alright guys, check out this repurposed look. I took my salwar suit and I repurposed the kurti. I call it my shout out graphic look. As you can see, it has laces on the straps which say love, and I added the love lace on my dupatta as well. And I paired this kurti, which is now shorter and also now sleeveless. I paired it with velvet palazzo pants. Check out this awesome color combination. It's pink, purple, and green. And it's a beautiful, fun, casual yet dressy daytime look. Alright guys, check out this next bold graphic look. All I did was took a oversized sequins top. I added some laces that are shiny onto the bottom edge of the shirt. And I had a pair of velvet pants, which were actually kind of small. I'll go through how I increased the size, but I actually used the laces to make it a little bit bigger so that it fits properly. I added a stripe down the side, and boom, you got your next bold graphic look. Check it out. So if you want to keep it traditional, pair it with a dupatta. This one's a sequence dupatta. It's very shiny. It's got a cotton lace on the side. Here I decided to go with my yellow Timberlands to give it that western edge. Alright guys, here's the next chic Indo-Western look. I have distressed jeans and I paired it with a short hot pink kurti. And I tied my dupatta like a sari. The dupatta is net and it has silver jewels in it. I completed the entire look with silver jewelry. So I have silver bracelets, I have a silver necklace and earrings, and it has some pink to match the pink kurti. And I decided to go with really sparkly silver shoes, which really stand out. And not to mention the round, oversized pink biddi. I absolutely love this. It's very cute, very chic. And I really hope you guys like this outfit. Check it out. Ladies, you're going to be blown away by this next look. This is when Sabyasachi meets Versace and Christian Dior. The beautiful thing with the Sabyasachi dress style kurtis is you can actually wear it as a dress. You don't have to wear it with your palazzo pants. So I'm going to show you the style in just a dress. Check it out. I am loving this style. So I had a silk fabric in yellow and I had it made into a short dress style kurti. And Sabyasachi is known for his multiple layer work on his dress style kurtis. So I added multiple layers, obviously different colors so it would give a colorful look. And I took it all the way up past my hips and I added in some Versace print laces as well, as you can see here. I have it on the sleeves and I have a couple throughout the different layers on the kurti. I have paired this kurti with brocade red pants because yellow and red look absolutely gorgeous together. I have a red organza dupatta with ari work on it, absolutely gorgeous. And it has tassels on all four edges. I have my red Christian Dior handbag and I've completed the look with yellow stiletto heels. I have a ring with a red ruby in it. My makeup is just more on the pink tones, but I kept it really light because I wanted to wear a bold lipstick, and this is a red. Actually, I just used a lip liner. I didn't have an actual lipstick, so I colored in my lips with a lip liner, and then I added a clear lip gloss over top. I have decided to accessorize with American diamond jewelry. So I have a necklace with a pendant, I have earrings, and I have decided to wear a tikka with it as well. I hope you guys love this look. Okay guys, in this next look, instead of a short kurti, I have a long dress style kurti. Here's a style with a jacket. It's an embroidered, very busy jacket. And here's the look without the jacket. And as you can see, the dress is sleeveless. The laces, the famous Sabyasachi multi-lace style goes all the way up to about mid-thigh. The dress comes to about mid-shin. And the color combos with accessories, I've decided to go with a dark blue bindi and a dark blue Potley bag, which brings out some of the blue laces that I have. And this is in a brocade silk fabric, absolutely gorgeous. My dupatta is in organza and it's in maroon, and it has the Sabyasachi laces on the edges as well. I hope you guys like this look. Check it out. Here's my next bold Indo-Western look, guys. I absolutely love this one. This one is inspired by graphic tees, and I call it my graphic salwar suit. The lace has love written all throughout on the dupatta, on all the edges of my salwar, and also on the straps of my shirt. And the dupatta is tied like a sari, so it kind of looks like a dhoti style sari. I hope you guys like this one. Alright guys, this next look is my favorite look. It's an absolutely gorgeous baby doll dress in shibori embroidered fabric. Check it out. Don't you guys love this one? It's in blue and it's got pink and yellow colors throughout the fabric. And what I've done with this first look is I've paired it with mules, and I have my GG earrings. They're in multicolor, and I have a blue stone bracelet on to go with the overall blue color theme of this dress. And the beauty about this one is you can wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it just as a dress. You can also pair it with silk trousers. So you have pants with a dress as a shirt, or you can wear it Indo-Western with your trousers, the dress, and your dupatta or scarf. I hope you guys liked these looks.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.